Now once you've created report, the next thing that we need to do is create a dashboard. What is a dashboard here? Dashboard is basically a collection of reports, multiple reports put together. Okay, so because we are putting multiple reports together, most of the times on dashboard you would prefer a summary or a matrix report, that too on a graphical format. Because if there are too many reports and every report looks like a table, then it will become very difficult for you to understand, right? So dashboard is usually in form of graphics and all those things. The charts and graphs will be visible there. Let's create a dashboard, you will get the understanding. Click on new dashboard.
So we are not going to cover joint report?
We will talk about that.
Okay.
So you go to dashboard, click on new dashboard. So the moment you come to dashboard, there is nothing much in dashboard. You just have to select the component of the dashboard, the kind of chart that you need, and the data source. So data source again is going to be a report. Let's say this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. And these are the components that you need. And this is,
so let's see, nothing. So you added the pie?
Yeah.
And then
whatever file you have saved as report will serve as a data source for the dashboard components that you add from here. That's it. And your dashboard is ready. So
so this is more of like the presentation side.
Right. Or if you want that on the screen also, right? So it would help us create a dashboard very quickly. Just bring the component, bring the data source, whatever title and all those things you want to add there, put it, and put a header, footer. Your report is done. Your dashboard is done, right? So usually,
did you make you made different types of charts? So you have a donut chart.
These are all available.
So how did you make it? Yeah. How did you make the same data go to the donut? Did you just drag something over?
Yes. You'll have to.
Oh, you have to drag it over each time.
Drag.
You have to drag over the data source each time.
Right.
Okay.
So in this case, I'm dragging the same report in all three of them because I do not have other reports. But yeah, usually you will have different reports for different components. So one can be your sales report, one can be your marketing report, the other one can be your customer service report. So yeah, that is okay. So now where do you see the dashboards? So dashboard is created the same way you saved report, you can save the dashboard also. Dashboard also needs to be saved in a folder. So your personal folder or which folder, we call it my dashboard.
Do you know the underscore that you're putting?
Sorry?
Do you have to put an underscore?
No.
Okay.
So as an end user, if you want to see any dashboard, so this way, we just created one dashboard. This way, there can be different dashboards which are there. So anytime someone from the management or any person wants to go and see one of the dashboards, he can click on the dashboard tab. And then select the dashboard that he wants to view. So here you will have a list of all the dashboards. Can click on the dashboard that you want to view and can click on that. Select the dashboard and they'll be able to see the dashboard, right? So this is how dashboard is going to be helpful. Clear? Now we'll talk about report types. You've created dashboard. Now let's understand report type. Okay. Remember the moment we were creating a report, the moment you click on report tab and you click on new report,